As technology advances, 3D printers have become more accessible and cost-effective, attracting hobbyists, professionals, and businesses alike. To successfully embark on your 3D printing journey, you'll need 4 essential components. Number 1. A good 3D printer capable of crafting objects of reasonable size with efficient speed. Number 2. A sturdy and precisely calibrated print bed is crucial for ensuring a stable foundation. Number 3. A dependable extruder to efficiently melt filament for seamless printing. And number 4. Slicer software, a crucial tool that translates your designs into printable instructions. Typically, all 4 components come bundled with the printer from manufacturer. With the wide variety of 3D printers available, choosing the right one can be challenging. To assist you in this decision-making process, we've compiled a list of the top 5 3D printers for professional users within the price range of $600 to $1,000, outlining their key features, and provided essential considerations to guide you toward the most suitable choice. Number 5. The Ankermake M5. The Ankermake M5 impresses pro-level buyers with its sophisticated features. Its 49-point auto bed leveling system ensures a flawlessly calibrated print surface, significantly reducing manual adjustments and enhancing first-layer adhesion. The double-sided PI spring steel build plate, combined with a heated bed capable of reaching 100 degrees Celsius, provides excellent print quality and versatility for various filament types. A 4.3-inch color touchscreen interface offers an intuitive and user-friendly experience, streamlining navigation through settings and controls. The 0.4 mm direct drive extruder ensures precise filament control, crucial for detailed prints and flexible filaments. Printing at speeds up to 250 mm per second with an acceleration of 5,000 mm, the Ankermake M5 is designed for efficiency without compromising quality. The substantial build volume of 235 by 235 by 250 mm accommodates larger projects, making it suitable for diverse applications. An integrated AI camera enhances monitoring and failure detection, a valuable feature for professional environments where downtime is costly. Connectivity options including Wi-Fi and USB Type-C provide flexible and modern data transfer methods. The filament runout sensor prevents print failures due to filament exhaustion, ensuring reliable and continuous operation. Priced at $699, the Ankermake M5 offers a robust set of features, making it a competitive choice for advanced users seeking a high-performance 3D printer with advanced automation and monitoring capabilities. Number 4. The Creality CR M4. The Creality CR M4 is a compelling option for professional users, offering a suite of advanced features designed to handle demanding projects with precision and reliability. The large build volume of 450 by 450 by 470 mm allows for the creation of substantial and intricate prints, making it ideal for complex and large-scale projects. The 4.3-inch touchscreen monitor provides a user-friendly interface, streamlining the operation process and enhancing overall user experience. Equipped with a heat bed capable of reaching 100 degrees Celsius, the CR M4 ensures excellent adhesion for a wide range of filament types. The CR Touch 25-point auto bed leveling system automates the calibration process and ensures a consistently level print surface helps high-quality outputs. The high-flow Sprite direct dual-gear extruder, capable of reaching temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius, allows for versatile material usage, including high-temperature filaments. The dedicated model cooling system features a standalone 4020 fan. It channels strong wind to cool the freshly printed section, enabling the model to solidify faster. This reduces drooping or warping. This is complemented by a print speed of 120 mm per second, which balances speed and quality effectively. The printer supports Creality print and QIDI slicers, offering flexibility in slicing and workflow management. Additional features such as the filament sensor and power loss recovery system, which automatically resumes printing after interruptions, add to its reliability and user convenience. Priced at $889, the Creality CR M4 delivers excellent value for professional users, combining a large build volume, advanced features, and robust construction into a reliable and efficient 3D printing solution. Number 3. The Creality K1 Max. The Creality K1 Max 3D printer stands out as an impressive choice for pro-level users, blending robust engineering with advanced features. Its metal construction and enclosed stable frame provide exceptional durability and precision, crucial for high-quality and consistent prints. The large build volume of 300 by 300 by 300 millimeters offers ample space for substantial projects, catering to a wide range of professional applications. One of the standout features is the magnetic sheet and automatic bed leveling system, complemented by a bed that can reach temperatures up to 120 degrees Celsius. This ensures excellent adhesion and smooth first layers, minimizing the hassle of manual adjustments. The titanium alloy Heartbreak direct drive extruder, capable of heating up to 300 degrees Celsius, supports a variety of filaments, including carbon fiber, expanding the printer's versatility. The K1 Max excels in speed and efficiency, boasting a remarkable print speed of 600 millimeters per second and a printing acceleration of 20,000 millimeters. This significantly reduces production time without compromising quality. The built-in AI camera enhances monitoring and control, while the 4.3-inch touchscreen offers an intuitive user interface. Additionally, the effective air filtration system ensures a safer printing environment by reducing emissions. At a price of $749, the Creality K1 Max delivers exceptional value, making it a compelling investment for professionals seeking reliability, speed, and high-performance capabilities in their 3D printing endeavors. Number 2. The Flashforge Guider 2. The Flashforge Guider 2 is a robust choice for pro-level users seeking reliability and precision. Its generous build volume of 280 by 250 by 300 millimeters allows for larger projects or multiple smaller prints simultaneously, catering to a wide range of professional needs. One of the standout features is the flexible magnetic steel plate, which can heat up to 120 degrees Celsius. Coupled with the built-in auto bed leveling system, this ensures precise prints and simplifies the setup process, saving valuable time for busy professionals. The Guider 2 boasts an impressive print speed of 600 millimeters per second and an acceleration of 20,000 millimeters, allowing for rapid production without sacrificing quality. Its direct drive extruder, capable of reaching 240 degrees Celsius, supports a variety of filaments, enhancing versatility and enabling intricate designs. Ease of use is enhanced by the 4.3-inch touchscreen monitor, which provides an intuitive interface for seamless operation. The all-metal enclosed design not only offers a sleek and professional appearance, but also maintains a stable printing environment, crucial for consistent results. Additional features such as the filament runout sensor and automatic resume functionality after power interruptions ensure reliability and minimize print failures, providing peace of mind during long print jobs. Overall, at a competitive price of $599, the Flashforge Guider 2 combines speed, precision, and reliability in a robust package, making it an invaluable asset for pro-level 3D printing applications. Number 1. The QIDI Max 3. The QIDI Max 3 is a formidable contender for professional users seeking high performance and advanced features at a competitive price. One standout feature is the all-metal, temperature-controlled chamber that can heat up to 65 degrees Celsius, ensuring optimal printing conditions for a wide range of materials. Complementing this is a substantial build volume of 300 by 250 by 300 millimeters, offering ample space for large and complex projects. The 5-inch touchscreen monitor provides a user-friendly interface, making navigation and control straightforward even for intricate print jobs. The one-click 64-point auto bed leveling system significantly enhances print precision and ease of use, eliminating the tedious manual leveling process. The high-strength aluminum alloy bed offers excellent durability and heat distribution, which is crucial for consistent print quality. The direct drive extruder, capable of reaching temperatures up to 350 degrees Celsius, expands the printer's versatility, allowing it to handle a variety of filaments including advanced materials like nylon and carbon fiber. The double air filter filtration system ensures a safer working environment by reducing harmful emissions during printing. Performance-wise, the QIDI Max 3 impresses with a top print speed of 600 mm per second and an acceleration of 20,000 mm, making it one of the fastest in its class. Powered by Clipper and compatible with popular slicers like QIDI, Prusa, Simplify 3D, and IDEAMaker, the printer integrates seamlessly into any workflow. Additional features such as the filament runout sensor further enhance reliability, minimizing downtime and print failures. Overall, the QIDI Max 3 is a robust, high-speed printer offering professional-grade capabilities at an attractive price point of $899, making it an excellent choice for pro-level users. Those were the top 5 pro-level 3D printers. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy printing!